Today we're going to be checking out Poetic's case lineup for the brand new Google Pixel 8 Pro. Poetic makes a lot of really nice protective cases for phones, and I'm expecting this year to be pretty much the same. So here we have the Poetic Guardian, the Poetic Revolution, and the Poetic Neon. And if you guys want to pick up any of these cases yourself, I will be putting product links in the video description. So let's get started. So first up, we're going to check out the Guardian. Comes with an installation packet, some instructions. Here we have our case. So this case does have a built-in screen protector, and it also has MagSafe. It's got reinforcements in the edges in case you happen to drop it. And this case has also been military grade drop tested. And it also comes with an extra insert in case you want to use your own screen protector. This case is also military grade drop tested. Now this is a two-piece design. All you need to do is take out the inner portion here, and we're going to put this over the top of our phone. But before we do that, you need to make sure you thoroughly clean off your screen, because this will go over your phone and trap anything that's on it. So once you've cleaned off your screen, we need to remove this inner sticker here, and then just put this over the top of your phone. Now, once you have this on top of your phone, it's very important that you don't press down anywhere on the screen, because we need to press down this little hole right here where the fingerprint sensor is and make sure that it kind of adheres all over to the screen. You want to make sure you try to get out as many bubbles as you can. Then take this whole piece and put it into the outer portion of the case and just press everything into place. And there it is in the phone. Feels nice in the hand. It's not slippery, but it does have a soft rubber type feel to it. As far as the buttons go, buttons are super clicky, very easily pressable. And for the feel of the screen protector, it is smooth, but it does have a little bit of resistance, not as smooth as the glass on the screen. We do have a cutout for our front camera there, and as you can see, all those cutouts for our speaker. Now let's test out our fingerprints. Fingerprints seem to be working just fine. No problems there. As you can see, it is crystal clear, and it is smooth to the touch, and touch working perfectly fine. If we look at it from the side, you can see it does have a good raised edge all the way around the front of the phone. It does add a little bit of bulk to the phone, but not much. We have our cutouts on the bottom. We also have our covered charging port here, so you don't have to worry about dust or anything getting in there. On the side here, we have our power button and our volume buttons. And if we look at the back, you can see it shows off the color of your phone. It's got that built-in MagSafe, and we've got a really good raised edge around the cameras. So let's test out our MagSafe. I've got a MagSafe power bank here. Clips onto the back, immediately starts to charge the phone. And the MagSafe accessory is held onto the back of the phone really well, so you don't have to worry about it just falling off. Very nice case, very protective case. As you can see, the screen does pick up some fingerprints, but you can pretty much easily wipe those away with just minimal effort. And you can also use this case with regular wireless charging as well. And again, that is the Poetic Guardian. So if you want a really nice protective case, this is definitely going to do the job. So this is the Poetic Revolution. Again, it comes with an installation packet and some instructions. And here is the case. Again, it's got a built-in screen protector on the back. It's got a built-in kickstand. It's pretty nice. And this also comes with another insert in case you happen to want to use your own tempered glass screen protector. And in case you're wondering, this case is also military grade drop tested. This is a two-piece case again. All you need to do is peel out the inner hard portion, clean off the front of your phone, peel off the inner protector, along with the fingerprint sensor sticker here. Then just put this whole piece over the top of your phone. Again, making sure you don't press down anywhere on the screen because we need to press down on this little cutout here for your fingerprint. Just make sure it adheres to the screen. And once you do that, you can peel off the top protector. Looks really nice. Then take this whole piece, put it into the other portion of the case, and just press it into place. And there we go. Feels really nice in the hand. Again, doesn't feel slippery or grippy. It's got a nice soft rubber feel to it. It's got a cutout for your front camera as well as the speaker grills. As far as the buttons are nice and clicky. They do sit a little flush with the case, so they might not be very easy to find, but they do work very well. Let's test out our fingerprint. Fingerprint does seem to work. Yep, no problem. As you can see, it's crystal clear. And touch is working perfectly fine. No problems with swiping either. Now if you look at it from the side, you can see that it does have a raised edge all the way around the phone. This does add a little bit more bulk to the case because we do have a kickstand on the back. We have our cutouts on the bottom. Again, that covered charging port, so you don't have to worry about dust getting in there. On the side, we have our power button and our volume buttons. On the back, it has a nice hard plastic backing. Again, with that kickstand that stows away in the back. You can use your phone in portrait mode, or if you want to lay it down in landscape, you can do that too. And then it pushes right back into the case. We also do have a raised edge around our cameras as well. So if you want a really protective case with a kickstand, the Revolution case is a pretty nice option. The screen does pick up fingerprints, as you can see, but for the most part, you can pretty much just wipe those away. Takes a little bit more effort, but you can get it done. And you can also use this case with wireless charging as well. And then here we have the Poetic neon case. Really nice. I love that accent. This case is also military grade drop tested as well. This is also a two-piece case. It's got a hard outer shell with a softer rubbery type material on the inside. So take our phone, put it inside here, and then just press on this back plate. And you're all set. That looks really nice. Feels good in the hand. It's not slippery, and it does have a little bit of grip to it, but you can definitely feel that soft, smooth rubber. As far as the buttons goes, very clicky, easily pressable. If we look at the phone from the side, you can see it does have a prominent edge at the top and the bottom, and a slight edge on the side. It also doesn't add a lot of bulk to the phone either, which I love. On the side, we have kind of like this serration to help with grip. We have our cutouts on the bottom, our power button, and our separated volume buttons on the side with that serration. And on the back, it's got that nice hard shell surrounded by this orange accent, which looks really cool. And it's got these two rubber pieces on the side here, so when you put your phone down on something, it doesn't just wiggle all over the place. It kind of gives it a little more grip. And we also do have a slight raised edge around our camera lenses. That's a really nice case. And this case also works with regular wireless charging as well. So if you're looking for a case that's not as bulky as the Revolution or the Guardian, but still gives your phone some pretty good protection, the Neon is definitely the way to go. Which one of these cases were your favorite and why? Let me know in the comments below. I think my favorite is going to be the Neo because it's not super bulky, but it still gives your phone some good protection, and it's got this really cool orange accent. And again, if you guys want to pick up any of these cases yourself, I will be putting product links in the video description. So if you guys enjoyed the video, it would really help out the channel if you gave me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.